Summer is approaching fast, and you'll want to be prepared for wherever your next adventure leads you. That's why the Etekcity Double High Air Mattress is a must-have for any vacation. Its quick and easy setup make it the perfect choice, whether you're visiting friends and family or hosting them. All you have to do is plug the built-in pump into an outlet, turn the dial to inflate, and your mattress will be ready in as fast as 2 or 3 minutes. This allows you to focus on the important things. Or maybe you prefer the outdoors on a warm summer evening. The Double High Air Mattress is perfect for camping in a tent or backyard overnighters. It also features a 2-in-1 valve that supports external pumps, meaning you can use it even when there's no outlet available. Etekcity Double High mattresses are built with a soft wave pattern, making them more comfortable than other mattresses that use columns of bars for support. With an 18-inch height at full inflation, our twin-size mattress offers extra comfort for you. It's also easy to put away when you're done with it. Just plug the cord into an outlet, turn the dial to deflate, and let it do the hard work for you. If you're outdoors, simply open the air valve to let the mattress deflate. The mattress easily fits into small storage spaces, so it's out of your way until your next adventure. Summer is approaching fast, and you'll want to be prepared for wherever your next adventure leads you. That's why the Etekcity Double High Air Mattress is a must-have for any vacation.